welcome to my real show, and we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers Part 2. The other time I didn't put my mic on because it was loud in the car. Y'all won't be able to hear me. And so I'm gonna see if I can finish collecting all the 40 shells. The robot skin is my favorite skin because it's the best skin in the game, and Zai gonna be mad because I got the skin and he don't. My brother got this. I got the skin, but my brother don't. So yeah, my dad is playing Call of Duty. I am playing Subway Surfers, and yeah. So look at all. So if y'all don't know how to play a game, it's basically a game where you're running away from the cop. And you gotta dodge all the buses, collect stuff, get the coins, and do all of that stuff. And yeah. And yeah. So my favorite part is to jump over the buses because they are the best. They are the best. So I'm going to tell you about the other skin. There's another skin that you could get. And it's one. And it's the 100 key Miss May. I'm just playing. This one is the star outfit.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
But yeah, so we're gonna play another game, and we are going, and we're gonna play 2 more games. I'm gonna play 1 more game after this, and I'm gonna exit out this video. So if y'all want me to do more Subway Surfers videos, I'm gonna make the final part is gonna be part 4, and this is part 2. So yeah. And also I want to tell y'all about something. I am gonna be getting a DJ board, and I'm gonna do a DJ board tutorial and show y'all how to use it. And I am gonna be uploading another series, a Roblox series. This Roblox series is gonna be, I'm gonna make it up, and it's gonna be a Roblox series just like the Subway Surfers. There's gonna be five parts to it, and then that's it. And I'm gonna be uploaded day after day. After the next day, then I wait for tomorrow, and then I'm uploading the other part of the thing. So it looks like I'm not dying. So after this game, we're going to just do a kick one and then exit out the video in the middle of the Subway Surfers. So yeah, I'm screen recording this. If you're wondering how I got another phone and then recorded the other phone and then make it look so perfect in the screen, is just screen record. Screen record. Oh my god. Alright, I died. And we got a chest. Ooh, we got the Tricky's hat. Cool. Guess what, y'all? My brother, but he don't know how to play it. And alright, we just gonna do this last thing because I died and messed up. I gotta tell y'all something. My brother rage, and when he rage, it's funny.
Wow, I do know how to play the fucking game.
And why is he so stupid? And
You didn't say I was good. I'm good.
y'all think he good? I'm screen recording this, but yeah, if I could, I'm gonna show y'all. If he proc, if we broadcast this, I would be able to show y'all because I could go on my phone and watch his broadcast. But if he broadcast it, I could show y'all. But we just gotta wait till he turn on his broadcast. But he don't want to turn it on right now because he know he don't want to show the people that he suck. So I'm gonna show y'all, and y'all gonna have to comment and see if he bad or not. And he gonna be like, or not, or no. When y'all comment that he trash. And yeah, put hashtag trash if he trash, or put hashtag what you want them to put hashtag if you good.
Hashtag I'm good. Hashtag Zaya's good.
Hashtag Zaya good. Or if you don't know how to spell that, just put ZY.
I'm about to start my broadcast.
So he's about to start it up. And he's going to do I'm going to go watch his broadcast so y'all can see him. If y'all want... Alright, he started broadcasting. Wait, let's open our chest. Alright, we got that. So we go to his mixer. And then we go start his broadcast. Then we go look at his broadcast.
Oh, okay, I'm back, guys. Oh, yeah, I got the shotgun. Man, who is this kid invited me to a flipping game? I'm trying to flipping play Call of Duty. I'm on the broadcast, dude.
Alright, so he's broadcasting right here. So this is his broadcast. This is what he's playing right now. And yeah. Download the Mixer app. And I would be starting doing some mixer when I sign in. If I can't sign in, then I will just keep doing YouTube videos. So
I'm gonna play quick.
He's about to play quick around.
I'm gonna play.
About to play with his friend, but he's still gonna prove that he good. So you better get your best done. Because these people better be spamming the comments. They're gonna be like, hashtag, whatever. Hey there, dudes. So, we gotta build this here dog.
Everybody can see this about.
No, she's playing.
Touch this kid.
Sorry, you own microphone.
Oh, you think I care?
Sorry.
I don't care. I actually don't care.
Alright. So, I bet you the people just spam in the comments and say, hurry up. Oh.
Are you streaming?
Who? Me? I don't know how to stream. I don't know what I'm supposed to do to stream. On Xbox, you could just, it automatically sign you in.
And then let me stream.
I'm gonna
I
download.
want to use this new person, but he didn't even come up on PlayStation yet, bro. He's so bad. On Xbox yet. Let me invite my friend, actually. Hey.
Alright, I'm gonna end this stream.
Why are you ending the stream? Not the pick.